just put it down. I reloaded. Let's see what he remembers. Oh, he's getting it. Other side. Good boy. Yes, good boy. There you go. There's one down. Good job. Alright, now what? Yeah. You have to lift. First you have to lift it. First you gotta lift it. Haha. Boy. Yes, good boy. There you go. Good job. Open it just a smidgen for him.
Fitting in good doesn't have to be hard. However you fit in good, it's good with us.
So this is dinner time enrichment. See how long it takes him to kind of figure it out? I'll help you with this one a little bit. If you stop with your nose. Fine, I'll do it that way. Well, open it up then. Open it up then. There. Oh, you okay there? Oh, reverse sneezing. Oh, there's a couple left in here, and I gotta figure out how to get to them. Good boy. There. Good boy. I'll take it. I'll take it. How about this one? I'm gonna come over here and do that one. I don't think there's any left. No eating it. There's nothing left. Nothing in there. There's nothing in there. All done. And you're all done with that one. That was good. See, now you gotta figure out this one. How about this one? Yes, yes. Oh, yay! There you go. Look at that. Yay! Good job. Nice job. Good boy, Milo. You did it. Look at you. Good job, buddy. That was good. That was really good. Nice job. That was fun. He said that was fun. That's a good boy. Yeah.